Have you ever thought about where your produce comes from? Most grocery chains receive produce from various local and national farmers. In fact, there are about 3.4 million farmers in the United States today. But of that staggering number, only 45,000 are Black farmers. At the Better Buggy, we are a proud group of Atlanta-based Black-owned farmers, selling produce locally and nationwide. Our easy-to-navigate online platform makes it easy for you to make a one-time purchase or to simplify your life by subscribing to our weekly produce box. Whichever frequency you choose, you can order with confidence, knowing you'll receive 100% organic farm-fresh produce. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a loved one that they'd actually find useful, be sure to pop by our online store where you can snag a gift card your recipient can use to order their own produce and t-shirts. Ready to start supporting local Black-owned farms and making healthier food decisions? Visit thebetterbuggy.com now to start shopping.
Ladies and gentlemen, many of you might have heard about Tropical Storm Elsa, which is still out in the islands but heading towards the Florida Keys. Now, if you remember, it was just a few years ago when Michael damn near wiped out towns in the Florida Keys, and they never recovered from that. That place has never recovered from that. So Elsa is heading in that direction, and that means if they get hit, we'll probably get remnants of it up here. We usually do, and you'll get that heavy day of heavy rain and everything and wind. So this is NPR, July 6, 2021. So they said the weather conditions in southern Florida is getting worse. So they are feeling the effects of Elsa already. They said they are feeling the winds, the rain. So they know it's not that far off at all. And Elsa is also disrupting the search and rescue that's going on in Florida because because it's going to bring heavy rains. And they said that area where they're trying to locate bodies from that Surfside location, they said that will be impacted. So it's going to halt the search and rescue there, and people are going to have to just wait until everything passes. Well, it's not like it can do more damage to it. Okay, so they are saying that there are hurricane warnings from the Miami-based National Hurricane Center, warned of life-threatening storm surges, flooding, and isolated tornadoes. So bands of rain were expected to reach Surfside on Florida's Atlantic coast, soaking the rubble of the Champlain Tower South. And we remember that building collapsed on June 24th. And when I woke up this morning, they said it was 32 bodies the body count is up to 32 now, and still 117 missing. The search and rescue crews have worked through the rain, but must pause when lightning threatens. And a garage area in a pancake debris already filled with water on Monday, officials said. So right now, Elsa, maximum sustained winds strengthened to 60 miles an hour. Early Tuesday, a slow strengthening is forecast through Tuesday night. Elsa could be near a hurricane strength before it makes landfall in Florida. Its core is about 50 miles southwest of Key West, Florida, 270 miles south of Tampa. So it was continuing to move to the northwest at 12 miles per hour. So they are saying localized Florida will see 3 to 5 inches of rainfall, and it can be up to 8 inches, of course, depending on where you are. So Wednesday across the Keys into the southwest and the west portions of Florida Peninsula. The forecasts include the possibility of tornadoes across South Florida Tuesday morning and across the upper peninsula later in the day. Ron DeSantis expand a state of emergency to cover a dozen counties where Elsa is expected to make a shift passage on Wednesday. President President Joe Biden approved an emergency declaration for the state ahead of the storm. So it looks like it's a busy season already, y'all. I mean, the first storm, tropical storm, was back in May. So they said that was earlier than usual. But I did read they were expecting the hurricane season to start early and end late. So if anybody is down there, please stay safe. I really hope that there's not a lot of fatalities and people don't lose everything. You know, that's really hard to look at when you see so many people, you know, in tents or in sleeping bags on the ground. I mean, that's just so hard to look at. And or they're searching for food and just doing anything they can to survive. Because I can tell you, when Michael went through there and tore up those towns in the Keys, those people did not get nothing. And I can tell you firsthand from dealing with Hurricane Sandy, we didn't get nothing. Okay, this place don't do what you think. It may appear like they're reaching out and helping so many people, but at the end of the day, ask the people that been through hurricanes. They'll tell you they don't do nothing. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.